Okay, so what is your name?
Miguel.
Miguel, what's your last name, Miguel?
Chavez.
Miguel Chavez here. And this is Darren Gertler, and we will be talking about Miguel's project. So Miguel, tell me about what you've made.
I made like a type of catapult game. See, like you're supposed to have these cups spinning. You're supposed to get a paper clip and try to like make them inside.
It's your birthday.
Exactly, it's my birthday.
So Miguel, how did you decide to make this game?
At first I was thinking of making like the catapult, but changing it to make it like throw a plane. But then I decided that might be too hard. So I just decided to make a normal catapult and have something to shoot.
Okay. How easy is it to catapult something into the spinning cups?
Very hard. I think I got lucky with that shot right now.
Oh, because you definitely got it in, huh? So Miguel, tell me about how you made this catapult. This catapult looks pretty cool.
Yeah, well, first I needed to make like a base. A base.
And what did you make the base out of?
Wood.
Cool.
Then I needed to have like a heavy bottom part. Also, so like the catapult wouldn't end up jumping up when it shoots because it's kind of strong. Then I decided to have this rubber band to like provide the energy to shoot.
Do you know what kind of energy the rubber band provides? Do you remember what it's called?
I don't remember right now.
Okay. Then tell me about the thing that holds the paper clips. How did you decide on a cup like that?
I thought I didn't want to make it too big because then if it were too big it would make the catapult a lot slower. And I didn't want to make it also too small because then if it's too small it would like shoot too far also.
Okay, so this salsa cup was just the right size because it was the right weight for you, huh?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay. And then tell me about how you how did you put the ammunition holder on there? That cup full of paper clips is a good idea. How did you?
I just decided to cut the bottom of a bottle because I couldn't find any more reliefs. So I just glued it down right there so you could have your ammunition there.
What did you use to cut the bottle with, Miguel?
Scissors.
Scissors? Okay, great. Now let's talk about this part. Tell me how you thought of using a motor and two batteries like that.
Well, I needed to incorporate a motor in some way, so I decided to have like spinning cups in some way, so like it could be also kind of fun to actually try to make the paper clips in there.
And then what do you have? What are these extra pieces here, Miguel?
Just in case somebody thinks it's too easy, so I decided to make easy, medium, and hard.
Oh, so you have different levels in your game. Okay, that's pretty cool. And then one or two last questions, Miguel. How did you decide on using two batteries instead of just one battery?
Because I didn't want it to go too slow and make it like too easy also.
So with two batteries it goes faster then, huh?
Yeah.
That's great. So what are you going to do with this project when you're done presenting it today?
I'm probably just going to take it home and play with it for a while. Maybe at parties I might even bet people that they can't make it in, so win a few bucks.
Okay, and if you get tired of this game, then what are you going to do with it, you think?
Maybe give it to one of my cousins or something.
Give it to one of your cousins. Great. So one last thing, Miguel. If anybody else wanted to make a catapult game like this, do you have any advice for them? Anything you learned, like when you first made the catapult, did it work perfectly or did you have to change something on it?
Yeah, I kind of did have to change like the stick. It would shoot crooked, so I had to make it like a bit straighter, as you can see. It's still crooked, but it doesn't go as crooked as it used to.
Okay, so by making the stick straighter, it shot better. Anything else? Any other advice for people that want to make their own catapults?
Yeah, they have to make sure that the rubber band is like thick, because I tried with the small one and it like ripped right away.
Oh, so a little skinny rubber band's not strong enough, huh? Great, well thank you very much for talking about your project, Miguel.